In the concrete jungle where fortunes are made and lost overnight, there lived a man named Arthur. He wasn't just a player in the stock market. He was a titan, a gambler who danced on the knife's edge of risk. His name was whispered with a mix of awe and envy in trading circles. Arthur lived for the thrill of the trade, for the adrenaline rush that came with betting it all. And for a time, his audacity paid off handsomely. He had the penthouse suite, the luxury cars, the life that most people only dream of. Every morning, he'd look out over the city from his high-rise office, feeling like a king surveying his kingdom. But the market is a fickle beast. It gives and it takes. Arthur, blinded by his success, started making bolder, more reckless bets. He ignored the warning signs, the whispers of a downturn, convinced his winning streak was unbreakable. Then the bubble burst. One bad trade cascaded into another, a domino effect of disastrous decisions. His portfolio, once a testament to his genius, evaporated into thin air. The numbers on his screen bled red until they were nothing but a string of zeros. He had lost everything. The calls stopped, the friends disappeared, and the lavish lifestyle became a phantom limb, a memory that ached with phantom pain. Today, if you walk through the financial district, you might see him. You probably wouldn't recognize the ghost of the man who once commanded millions. Arthur now wanders the same streets where his expensive car once turned heads. He sleeps in the shadows of the very skyscrapers he once dreamed of owning, a silent figure against the glittering backdrop of a world he no longer belongs to. He begs for spare change, his eyes holding a story of immense loss, a story that most people hurry past, too busy to read. His journey is a chilling, powerful reminder for all of us. It's a stark lesson that climbing the ladder of success without a safety net, without humility, means the fall isn't just possible, it's catastrophic. The higher you climb, the harder the ground feels when you finally hit it. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more stories that make you think.